Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple blueprint to create your own products and services. I've used this simple blueprint to create dozens of products in my niches, and it is absolutely simple. Okay, and you can actually take this blueprint, go into any market and create your products from scratch, and you can do this within few hours. Okay, if you do exactly what I tell you to do. But there is an initial setup process that you have to do, and once you do this, the product creation process will be absolutely quick and easy. The most funny part I have seen that there are people who take years, okay, who actually take years to have their first product ready, and it should not be you should not be doing that way because product creation sometimes is risky and time consuming, and you never know whether your products will be a hit or it will be a flop. So the best part you should be doing is rather create your products quickly and test it out, and when it is working absolutely perfect and fine, then you can just go about putting more time and energy into building your product with some real high quality content and everything. But that does not mean that your initial test product should not be of extreme quality. You should be putting out everything that you do, and all the content that you put out should be of high quality. So with this blueprint, I personally believe that you can get started pretty quickly, and you will not have to invest hours of time to create your own products. And the second part is that you don't have to read a 100-page book or an ebook that others sell to learn how to create your own product. It should be fun, it should be easy, and the way I'm doing it right now, you actually can go about building your product absolutely easily by just standing in front of a camera. So it can be that simple if you make it. Okay, so I'll just give you a simple blueprint that I personally use to build my own products and services. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you need to build your product is knowledge. Okay, without knowledge in your niche, it is impossible to create your own products. So how you can go about getting knowledge in your niche? Okay, so there are certain places which I personally go to build knowledge in my online business within my niche, and I use that knowledge to test in my markets. Okay, so if you are in a bodybuilding niche, you have to first go about getting that knowledge, then probably use it on yourself or someone else and get experience out of it. And then when you are successful into something, you can then go about taking and using that knowledge and your experience to build your own products and services. So this is the exact same process I use to build my products. Okay, so here are a few places where you can get knowledge in your niche. Okay, you can go about getting knowledge by books. Okay, just go into any local bookstore, and you will find dozens of super books within your niche. In any niche that you are, you'll find dozens of books. You can just go about reading, get 10-20 books and read those books, and you will be flooded with the knowledge in your niche. And you can go about magazines, taking magazines in your niche, and probably you can take few subscriptions of magazines within your niche and read them, so that you have a constant source of content coming in, and you will never be out of content, because these sources have a constant pile of content coming in within any niche that you are into. All you have to do is put in some time and grab the information. Okay, then library. You can go to your library, take a monthly membership, and there you should find tons of books in your library, and you can just go through them and build your knowledge base. So your knowledge base is the most important key. Then you should be knowing how to channelize your knowledge into content within your website. And the next part is internet. Internet is a flood of knowledge. Just go to Google, type in your niche, and you should get tons of websites, articles, blogs that will give you more information about your market. Okay, the next part, if you are selling digital products, clickbank.com is the best place to go about, and there you'll get good ebooks that you can purchase for under $50 to $100, and you'll get some superb content in your niche. So just go about in these markets and increase your knowledge base. Experts. The best and the fastest place to go to create your own product is to tie up with an expert. So I'm presently building a website in nutrition and muscle building and weight loss. So I'm not an expert in that. Okay, even though I've joined a gym right now, but probably I'm not an expert in bodybuilding. So I've just been there, made few friends, and there are some good trainers, they have good built and muscles. So I've just communicated with them, and positively we'll be tying up, and I'll be shooting them to create my own bodybuilding product. So all I have done is I have used the knowledge of an expert to create my product. I can pay them a one-time fee for their services, and I have a product that I can sell for my entire life. Okay, so the fastest source of creating your own product is to find an expert in your niche and record an audio or record a video. Okay, and the next part is interviews. You can interview that expert and you can create your own product. This is the most fastest way to create your product, because you don't have to do any type of research. You just have to visit that expert and just grab their brains. That's it. That's all you have to do. So these are the two ways, the fastest ways that you can go about creating your own product and get their knowledge, okay, that you can use to build your own products and services. Ghostwriters. You can visit websites like elance.com or rentacoder.com or probably freelancer.com, and these websites are you'll get tons of people in these websites who will help you to create your own products, okay, and for a certain fee. So they are an expert in your niche, and they will go about writing an ebook or probably record a video or an audio in your niche, and they will charge you a certain fee to do that. So it is just like getting an expert using the websites like Elance, freelancer.com. Just go to Google and type in a freelancing website, and you should get many websites, and there you will get many experts who will help you to create your own digital products. So again, this is the most fastest way for you to get started. The next place you can go about is your own experience. Okay, so when you have all the knowledge and you are into a niche that you are living all day long, so your experience is the biggest source of knowledge. So you can just go about recording your products, okay, based on your experience, and that is the fastest way to get knowledge. That is the fastest source of knowledge that you can use to build your products. Okay, so all these techniques which I have listed out here will help you to increase your knowledge base. Okay, your knowledge will increase day by day when you do all this. Now, when you have knowledge, that is simply means is that your knowledge is content. Okay, and now you have a chunk of content in your brains, but now the most important part is that you should be knowing how to channelize that knowledge into creating your products. And the best way which I have learned is you have to create a blueprint out of your knowledge. Create a knowledge blueprint. Okay, so you have all this information in your brain, but if you don't create a blueprint out of it, you will forget it. Okay, so the best part is to create your own database of your knowledge. So how you should be going about is, you can do it in a simple form like taking a Word document, and you can write down all the points, all the categories that you know about your niche. Okay, so let's say I am into internet marketing niche. Okay, I am into coaching and consultation niche. So for me, let's say I have knowledge in my niche. I have knowledge to design websites. Okay, that is the first thing which I know. Okay, the second thing probably I know is product creation. Third thing I know probably is how to how to drive traffic to my website. So these are the certain things which I know in my market. So I can just put down these 3 points, and then within these 3 points I can put down subcategories, okay, as to what kind of information, what kind of knowledge I know within these areas. So for website design, I know how to build WordPress websites, how to design quality WordPress sites. That is what I know. I know how to automate a website completely. Okay, I know how to build a business out of WordPress sites and how to automate the entire system of running an online business. autoresponders. I know about how to set up autoresponders, how to set up the follow-up email campaigns, how to build a list, how to do a list segmentation and all this stuff. So what I'll be doing is I'll be putting out categories of my knowledge and the subcategories within them. And this is what I'll be putting down in a Word document. So I have an instant source of all the knowledge that I have in my brains. Okay, I have a way to channelize the knowledge. Now when I am going about creating a product, so I can just pick up few pieces of this knowledge from this database and go about creating my own products. Okay, so this is something which you'll have in front of you always, and when you are creating a new product, so you will be picking up things out of this and you'll create a product. Okay, and let's say I want to create a very low ticket product where I'll be giving information about, let's say, WordPress website. I'll be giving information about how to create products using audios, and the third thing I want to create about is how to drive traffic to my website using let's say SEO. These are the three topics I want to cover in a $10 product. So I just picked out WordPress, audios and SEO. So I'll just go about creating a 30-minute audio or a video presentation showing these three things, and I have a product ready that I can sell for 10 bucks. Okay, and I got this product created. I can get this product created in an hour if I'm shooting a video similar to this one. Okay, so it's absolutely simple and it is amazing, so you can just go about selling that product over and over again. Okay, so create a product blueprint, and now that you have the blueprint of your knowledge, you should be selecting few formats to create your product. Okay, so once you have your product ready, just select these formats, one of these formats, and you will know how to what kind of format you will be using to building a product. So you can use all these formats like audios. You can take your knowledge, you can create audios out of them, you can create videos. Okay, I prefer these two things because these two things are the fastest way of creating a product. Okay, because let's say you want to record a 5-hour presentation, okay, about how to do something in your niche. So how much time will it take for you to create a 5-hour audio or video presentation? Obviously 5 hours. So you are just investing 5 hours of your time. You can create a 5-hour of product, and you can go in the market and sell it for 100, 200, even 500 bucks, depending upon the kind of knowledge that you are giving to your subscribers, to your visitors. So audios and videos are the fastest way of creating products. Okay, and I personally believe that if you do a bit, if you practice a little bit, you can actually go about creating good audio video products. It will be difficult in the starting, and it was absolutely difficult for me because I am living in India. English is not my primary language, and I had tough time to speak English. Okay, and getting in front of the camera was really difficult for me. But with practice, once you create 10 videos, 20 videos, then you get that confidence, and then you can go about building your audio and video products. So I would prefer this, and videos have really high perceived value because the entire internet is moving towards videos. So if you can go in front of the camera and you can demonstrate something and show people what you do, so that is the fastest and the best way that you can build your business. Okay, create videos. Videos is the highest perceived value product, and it also tends to give better conversion rates. So if you're not good in videos, you don't like to go in front of the camera, you can actually go about building ebooks, okay, PDF documents. Okay, you can just write down ebooks and you can sell them. Okay, but still try out audios and videos. I forgot to tell you one thing. For audios, you can use a free software called Audacity, Audacity. Just go to Google, type in Audacity, and you can download that software. It's a free software. It will help you to record your audios. All you require is just a microphone. In videos, you can actually stand in front of the camera the way I'm doing it, and you can record videos. I'm actually standing in, you can use your webcam to record your videos, your mobile camera, or any digicam you want to record videos. So it's absolutely simple, and you can even go about building PowerPoint presentations and or something. You demonstrate something on your computer screen, and you can actually shoot it using a software called Camtasia, Camtasia, and software is beautiful. You can actually go about recording something using Camtasia, and you can have your screencast presentation ready as a video. So you don't even have to come in front of the camera if you don't like to. Okay, so this is absolutely simple way to build an online business. PDF documents, ebooks you can get started with. You can start a coaching program out of it, and your coaching program can include audios, videos, PDF documents. And in your coaching program, you can actually include one-on-one email coaching, okay, where you are helping people on a one-on-one basis. Secondly, you can actually go about meeting with your clients on a weekly basis on a teleseminar. The teleseminar is something where you meet with a group of people and help them out, provide them content and help them to solve their questions. Okay, so you can do this using a website called instantteleseminars.com. Okay, that will give you a service where you can actually connect with a group of people, and you can speak with them on weekly basis and help them on one-on-one basis. So, and you can have in a coaching program, you can have weekly trainings, okay, that includes audios, videos and text lessons. So when you have all this, you have your coaching program ready, and coaching program are the hottest selling products because they actually help you actually you can charge $100 per month, even $1,000, $2,000 for your coaching program. It is one of the most highest valued product which you can create, and the conversions are good. The only reason is that what you are providing to your client is not only training but one-on-one help. So that is the biggest benefit of a coaching program. So you can go about creating a coaching program also. Second is consultation. So you can actually provide one-on-one consultation to your clients, and one-on-one consultation should be one of the highest valued products in your niche. So you can actually charge $100, $200, even $500 per hour in your niche based on the expertise that you have. Okay, so you can get started with consultation of your own. Done for you services. This is one of the highest valued products that you can sell. So let's say you are into a market where people don't want to do everything by themselves. They want people to do it for them. So you can actually be the one. So you can charge some pretty good amount from them, and you can do the work actually for them. Okay, so let's say you want to promote a website and you come to me, and I built up an entire SEO business for you. Okay, the entire website as well as your own products and everything. So I'm doing the work for you, and because you are saving the time, I can charge you some good money out for that. Okay, and I'll be helping you to not only build your business, build your website, but everything in place, and you're just watching as I'm working for you. So this is a done for you service, and you can actually charge some good amount for these type of services. Now, membership sites simply help you to build a recurring monthly income. Okay, so you can provide content in the form of audios, videos, ebooks, text, anything you want on a monthly basis, and you can charge people on a monthly basis. You can charge $27, $47, $97 per month based on the value of your information, and this will help you to build a monthly income. Okay, let's say you have 100 members in your database and you are charging $97 per month, so you have instant source of $9,700 per month of revenue. If you have 1,000 members, that's $97,000 per month, and the amount of work you are doing is the same. Okay, if you are into a digital marketing business, okay, where you are providing content, so this can be really valuable if you are building up a membership website. So basically, this is how you go about building a quality product for your internet business. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can design a sales funnel. Now that you have your product ready, okay, based on the knowledge you have, you actually take these products and design a proper sales funnel. A sales funnel is a combination of how you combine the products, okay, in a systematic fashion, so that you can sell them through your autoresponder system. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to design a sales funnel, and if you have a proper sales funnel with good products and good marketing in place, you can actually have an automated machine making money for you. So thanks for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video where I'll be showing you more about sales funnel. In this video, I'll be giving you one of the most important concepts which I have learned in my last 3 years. And when you get this information, the mindset of creating a powerful sales funnel, making your website profitable will be really easy. In fact, converting your paid traffic, if you're spending money to get traffic to your website, okay, so it will become really easy to convert that paid traffic into profits. Okay, so if you're investing $1, you will know that you will be making $2 in return. So when you get this information, okay, so I have systematically arranged this information, and I hope you apply and implement this information about how to build a profitable sales funnel. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the most important components that you must have to build your sales funnel. Okay, so the first component is that you should be having a lead product. Okay, so lead product is basically if someone comes to your website, okay, and he signs up for a free gift. Okay, on a website you have to give some free gift on your squeeze page. So in the last video I have shown you what is a squeeze page, and squeeze page is something where you give a free gift to your website visitors, and in return they give you their name and email address. They fill up the form and you send them a free gift through an autoresponder system. So a lead product is something that you give as a free gift to your subscribers when they give you their name and email address. And this is also a product. Okay, it is one of the items from your knowledge database, okay, that we had created in the last video. And this lead product will be given absolutely free to your website visitors. So this is one of the components that you should be creating. This is a free gift when someone fills up the form on your squeeze page with their name and email address. But I would still recommend that on your squeeze page you should be giving some good content on your squeeze page itself. Okay, even before they give you their name and email address. This helps in better conversions. If you give quality information on your squeeze page and you ask your subscribers that you have some more stuff to give away, sign up with your name and email address. So there is a higher chance that if your content is good, your subscribers will sign up with their name and email address to get the next piece of the information. Okay, so give good content on your squeeze page, then tell them to put their name and email address, and you have your lead product. Okay, and you give it away for free. Okay, now these 5 steps, okay, what I have listed out here, what I'll be explaining you now, should be in one specific niche. Okay, I missed this out. It should be in one specific niche. One specific niche simply means that you should have a specific niche. Specific niche means for, I had given an example in the previous videos where skincare, I had given a skincare example. Skincare is a very generalized niche. Okay, and if you want a specific niche out of that general niche, you can pick up something like acne, okay, or you can pick up a market like wrinkles, or probably skin glow or fair skin. So that is a specific niche in a skincare niche. Okay, so pick up one specific niche, and in that specific niche you have to apply these 5 steps to build a profitable sales funnel. Okay, so with that I've covered up the first step where you have to have a lead product. The second step is to have a front end product. So when a subscriber signs up on your website, he gets a free gift, and on the free gift he gets some valuable content, and probably at the end of the content you give them a small pitch about your front end product. And your front end product basically is a low ticket item that you sell for around $5 to $10. Okay, and make sure that on this front end product you give extremely high quality information. The information should be such that your visitor should feel that you have given them some exceptional value, okay, a real exceptional value in the front end product by charging so cheap and you have given them excellent value. The most important part of this front end product is that you're not looking to make money out of this $10. You are looking to build a solid relationship with your subscriber. Keep that in mind, because when you have this relationship built, the subscriber will go further down the line and will purchase more of your products, which we will be discussing later. So it is extremely important that your front end product, even though it is a cheap item, don't just give any crap content out there, because if you do that, and you will not make the big money that is down the line in your sales funnel. So the most important part is give quality content, and in the front end product should be charged between $5 to $10. It is purely to build strong relationship with your subscribers. Now that you have promoted your front end product, the subscriber should automatically start with the promotion of your mid-level products. And your mid-level product is something that you sell for 50 to 100 bucks. Okay, and it can contain, you know, some more advanced information on this same specific niche. Okay, so if your, let's say your front-end product is, let's say, 1 hour of video training, so your mid-level product might give some further in-depth knowledge, and it can be around 5 hours of video training. Okay, in this mid-level product, for which you are charging 50 to 100 bucks. So now that a subscriber has purchased this mid-level product, you should start the promotion of the high-ticket item, and high-ticket item should be in the range of $500 to $1,000, or probably $5,000. Okay, now in this you're giving them advanced information, so it could be probably a 10 to 20 hours of video training, probably with some one-on-one coaching program where you're providing one-on-one help to your subscribers, or it could be some telephone coaching, or probably one-on-one consultation package. So it could, or physical product. Okay, so it could be anything that sells for $1,000 to $5,000. Okay, so these are the 4 types of products you should be having in your funnel for one specific niche. Okay, and once this system is ready, you should be having a very strong follow-up machine in place. Okay, a follow-up machine is basically something that you basically build a system where you follow up your subscribers at all these product levels. So for example, someone comes to your website and he's on your squeeze page and he signs up as a name and email address. So you'll give him this lead product. Let's say this lead product will have a series of follow-up emails. Okay, so what you have done is that, let's say you have created 4 follow-up emails when someone gives you their name and email address. So what happens is that the first email will give your subscriber content. Okay, that is a pure content that you give to your subscribers. And once the content is completed, okay, let's say you are giving content in the form of a video presentation. So as soon as the content is completed, at the end of the video you can say that, by the way, if you like my product, okay, click on the link right below this video and I'll be giving you more information about my training product for more details and more training about this specific topic. So the first email that you can give to this lead product is content, and in the pitch, okay, at the end of the content you will be promoting your front end product. Okay, that is the $10 product. Okay, now the second email that you are giving out is again a content. It is the same content plus a small pitch. Okay, the pitch should not be a huge pitch, it should be a very brief pitch about your product, okay, about your front end product. Then you create a pitch video. Pitch means a complete sales presentation about the product where you're giving benefits about the product. Okay, so this is something again you can do after 2 content videos. And the last thing you can do is give again a content video. So you can continue this series of follow-up emails, and this series of follow-up emails will focus in promoting your front-end product. So when your subscriber purchases the front-end product, so the subscriber actually moves from this follow-up email to your front-end product follow-up email autoresponder. And again here you can give them 4 type of emails. Okay, CC, PNC, and this follow-up emails will now promote your mid-level product. Now the subscriber, as soon as he purchases your mid-level product, he will be moved on to this follow-up series. Okay, where again he will receive content emails, pitch emails and content email, and here again you will be promoting your high ticket product. And again once he purchases the high ticket product, the subscriber will move to this follow-up series, and here again you will be giving him a series of content emails. Okay, so this will keep moving on as many products as you have in the line, but this is the basic structure of how you can go about designing a sales funnel. And when you have your products completed, you can then start promoting your affiliate products, okay, in your niche. So this is how you can design a complete sales funnel from scratch and make sure that you get the highest response and the higher subscriber value. So I'll just give you an example as to how you can go about determining how any paid traffic is performing. The most important thing that you should keep in mind is that if you really want to grow and make big money online, is that you should learn how to convert your paid traffic into profits. Okay, this is the most important skill that you should have. And if you have a sales funnel, then this is how you can determine the profitability of any paid advertising that you are doing on the internet. So this is how you can determine. Let's say you started driving traffic to your website using Google AdWords, okay, and you got 1000 leads in your AdWords campaign, okay, into your sales funnel, onto your squeeze page. You got 1000 leads. Let's say you drove in 5000 visitors, okay, you drove in 5000 visitors to your website. This is visitors, okay, 5000 visitors to your website. Now out of them 20% converted and you got 1000 leads on your squeeze page. Now this 1000 leads got promoted your first email campaign, okay, this first email campaign, and these 1000 leads, out of these 1000 leads, 100 people purchased your front end product, that is $10 product, okay, and out of these 100 customers, 10 went on purchasing the $100 product, okay, that is the mid-level product, and out of these 10 people, one person ended up purchasing your high ticket product, that is the $1000 product. So if you calculate all this, okay, 100 customers multiplied by 10 customers, this is $1000. Again, this is $1000. 100 multiplied by 10 clients, and $1000 multiplied by one client, again $1000. So you get a total gross income, okay, of $3000, okay, from your entire sales funnel out of 1000 leads. So 1000 leads, okay, these are the 1000 leads made you $3000. So you estimated $3 per lead gross profits, okay. All you have to do is just multiply 3000 divide by 1000 and you got $3000 per lead, okay. And now when you have this number, this means you are getting $3 for every lead coming into your funnel. Now all you have to do is spend $1 or $2 in your Google AdWords campaign, okay, to get per lead. So this CPL indicates cost per lead. Cost per lead means this you can afford to spend $1 or $2 to get one lead into your sales funnel, and still you will make some profits because you are making $3 out of your sales funnel. So when you do this type of calculation, you can absolutely determine as to what amount can you spend on your advertising campaign. And this is the most important information that you should be getting from your sales funnel. And when you have this in place, you will be absolutely relaxed and you will know whether your advertising campaign is converting for you or not, okay. So this is how you should be figuring out the entire testing and tracking process for your sales funnel. And for this you should be having some tracking systems in place. So there are many free tracking tools, and I use a system called AdTrackZ, okay, which is a paid product, okay, to do all the tracking for my website. You can even use Google Analytics, okay, that is absolutely free to do this type of tracking. So in short, you use any tools. The most important part is that you should be knowing your numbers. So with this, I have completed the entire presentation of how to create a profitable sales funnel out of the products that you will be creating. And if you apply this information, I believe that you can actually build a strong business from scratch because you know your numbers. And if you don't know your numbers, I would suggest you that don't go out and start paying for traffic, because you will be not aware at all as to what kind of traffic is converting and what is not converting, and this can actually get you into a huge hole, okay, and it will get you out of money, okay. So make sure, it is a huge risk to get into paid traffic without your numbers. So it is absolutely important that you focus on your numbers. That is the first step you should be doing, okay. Once you do that, then you can actually scale up your system. If you remember the system process which I have told you, now that you have tested the system, that is the step one is creating the system, step two is testing the system. Now that you have tested the system, you can actually increase your traffic and scale up this process, okay. So instead of getting 1000 leads, now you can get 10,000 leads, and if you do that, probably your income will multiply by 10. That's $30,000. Okay, so just scale up the system and then keep reinvesting the profits to grow your business. Okay, this is how you should be functioning. Okay, this is the kind of mindset you should be having when you're building your online business. So with this, I'll complete the sales funnel part, and I have one more thing to share with you. Okay, I have just recently launched a service and a service, where I'll be setting up your business for you. Okay, and when I will do this, you'll be able to see how I do that, and you'll be able to learn by watching me build the business for you. Okay, but you'll watch me to build your online business from scratch. Okay, so I'll be just giving you a very quick overview as to what I have included in this done for you service. And to get more details about this service, you can just click on the link right below this video, and it will take you to a sales presentation where the entire information will be given to you. For now, I'll just be giving you a quick overview as to what you'll be getting in this done for you service. The first thing you will be getting is a website. A complete website will be creating for you, okay, from scratch. So we'll be designing your website for you, graphics and everything. Okay, and there are over 300 templates that you can choose from. The second thing you will be getting is hosting, and hosting is simply a server where your website will be hosted, and this is included as a part of this project. So your website will be hosted on one of the fastest servers. Okay, and that I personally use for my businesses. Then we will be registering a domain name for you. Domain is the .com name of your website, where that .com name, that is xyz.com. So we'll be registering the domain name for you, and we'll be doing the entire setup of the website, hosting, domain, everything for you for your website in your niche. So these are the three things you'll be getting. Then we'll be automating the entire website for you. Automation includes setting up your follow-up emails, setting up your tracking system so that you know what is happening on your website, then setting up your list segmentation system so that your subscribers can smoothly flow between one level to another level in your sales funnel. Okay, so this is the entire automation part. Plus there are many other things that requires automating the entire campaign that we'll be setting up for you. The next part is that you'll be getting weekly training from us. Every week I'll be giving you an audio training, a video training, or a PDF document that will move you one step closer. Okay, that will train you completely as to how you can build your online business from scratch. So for next 1 year, you'll be getting 48 trainings. 1 week you'll be getting, each training you'll be getting on a weekly basis. And if you move ahead of time, you can just shoot me an email and I will send you the next link so that you can move on quickly. So that's not an issue. Plus you'll be getting one-on-one help from me. This will include unlimited email coaching. Whenever you are having any problems in building your online business for next 1 year, just shoot me an email and I will give you an answer back. I'll be giving you one-on-one help through email. Plus on a weekly basis, I'll be setting up a telephone coaching session. So we will be able to speak with each other, and you have any questions, so you can just communicate with me on a weekly basis and we will get it solved. Okay, so either we will be communicating on Skype or probably in a teleseminar environment where multiple clients will be there together. So in whatever cases, you'll be able to speak with me and I'll be helping you personally on one-on-one basis to build your online business. The next thing we will do is we will write 100 articles in your niche. Okay, we will be researching keywords for you in your niche, then based on the keywords we'll be writing 100 articles for your website. Okay, and these articles based on our traffic system, few of them will go on your website and few of them will go for link building purpose. And we have our systems to build links to the website, and your articles will be sent out in our system where you'll be getting links pointing out to your website. So this will set up a complete traffic engine, a traffic machine that will set up the foundation to drive traffic to your website from search engine and from hundreds of other websites. Then we will be doing the SEO part, where we will be optimizing each and every article that we will be writing based on the keywords that we will research for you, and second based on the LSI keywords, that are the related keywords of the main keywords. Okay, so 100 keywords will be researched for you, and there will be LSI keywords which will in turn contain over thousands of keywords combination. Okay, and we will be optimizing all these articles so that your website has a chance to drive traffic from thousands of combinations of keywords in search engines, and we will be creating a silo structure, a complete structure for your website, where all these articles will be organized in your blog and your site in a systematic fashion, so that the search engines understand the theme of your website, and based on that they start giving you traffic. Then we'll be doing the link building part for your website. That is, we'll be sending out your articles on through our link building system, so that you get links and traffic, okay, from hundreds of other websites, plus you get higher ranking from the search engine. So we'll be executing our entire proprietary system, which I personally do for my multi-million-dollar corporate clients as well as my websites. I'll be doing it for you. And the last part which we'll be doing is we'll be helping you in creating this sales funnel. Okay, so we'll be helping you out in designing this entire sales funnel. So not only will be training you, but we will help you out if in case you get stuck up at any point in setting up this automation system or in getting the entire thing executed. So we'll be helping you out so that you have this kind of sales funnel in place, so that you can start converting your traffic into dollars. Okay, so these are all the things which you'll be getting for you. And to get more information about this, just click on the link right below this video. And to just let you know that what this will do for you is that the first part it will do for you is that it will save your time. Okay, because to get all this in place that I've explained to you in all these videos is time consuming, requires lots of efforts, it requires lots of practice and knowledge. So you will be saving your time because we will be building your business for you. The second thing is that the second benefit that you'll be getting is that you will have an hands-on training. Okay, it's like an apprentice job for you, apprentice training for you, where you will be seeing us build your business, and this will give you a huge confidence boost, because you will be seeing exactly how we are building your business from scratch. Okay, not only will be providing you the training, but we'll be building the entire business for you, so that you know exactly what we do, and then you can actually use this information from that point onwards. After we set up your entire business, after 1 year, you can actually take this and you can do it by yourself, and you can use this entire information and build multiple businesses in your niche. So you can just expand your niches. Okay, so right now you get started, let's say, with skincare niche, you can start a cooking website, or probably you can start a golf website. So nothing is stopping you. The marketing system remains the same, and you can install the marketing system in any niche you want in future. So this is the most valuable thing that you will be learning. Okay, you will be learning, and plus you will be having your business built for you, and everything will go in a way where you will understand what is happening and what not, because training is not the only way to understand, because it takes years of practice and efforts to put all the pieces in place, and when you have someone working for you, it makes all the difference. Okay, so this is the main benefit that you will be getting. So the next thing you should be doing is click on the link right below this video, and we'll be giving you the entire sales presentation as to what you'll be getting, so you'll understand in detail as to how we will go about building your business from scratch. So with this, I'll end up this video, and thanks for watching this video, and see you soon. Goodbye.